Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. Today's gonna be like a quick little bonus video unboxing though because, okay, so, long story short, I was talking to my friend, Becky, Thrifting Nation on Instagram. If you guys don't already follow her, you guys have to. It's Thrifting Nation. It's spelled just like how it sounds. I'm gonna have it linked right there and it's gonna be down below in the description box. You guys have to follow her and add her on Instagram. She is so sweet, and I have known her since like forever, since around the time that I first started this YouTube channel. So Becky, I love you so much. You are so sweet. And she contacted me and she was like, she wanted to know if I wanted a certain bag that she had. And I was like, oh my gosh. And then she was like, you know what, I'm just gonna send it to you, and then blah blah blah. And like we just had this like conversation. I was like, you know what we need to do? We need to do a thrift swap. So she sent me over something and I kind of dropped the ball in sending her. She sent it so quickly, like we were literally talking about it the next day she sent it, and it's like a week later and it's already here, and I still have to mail mine out tomorrow. So Becky, yours is coming, but I wanted to film this video because I wanted to do like a special video because Becky, you're just so special. She is my like British sister from like another Mr. Rhyme. Anyway, but if you guys love thrifting, you love thrift hauls, you love vlogs, do not forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, add me on Instagram. It's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. And also don't forget to add Becky, Thrifting Nation. She is so amazing. She's so sweet, and her thrifting is amazing. Like her clothes, her style is like, if you guys are looking for thrifting and clothing inspiration, definitely check out her Instagram. She is amazing. So again, go follow her, add her, tell her Hadrian sent you. But without further ado, let's get into this little unboxing opening thing. And I got this package this morning and I didn't even know that it was here. I feel like, Becky, I don't know if you were like hinting at it when you told me that you mailed out my thing already, and I just haven't gone to the mailbox to check like the mail until today because I have just been like going crazy this whole weekend. But then I went to the mailbox and this was there. Are you guys ready for this? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. This is so amazing. Now, okay, like it's not authentic. Becky is not gonna, like, I would never let her send me an authentic Hermes bag. But this is, oh my gosh. She said she didn't like it because I think she said like it would get caught in her hair or something. But she thrifted this, which is amazing. I have wanted to thrift one of these for so gosh darn long. But here it is. Oh, it's the Hermes Evelyn. I don't know what size it's in, but the color is gorgeous. The leather is amazing. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I am like over the moon right now. I cannot wait to start using this. Thank you so much, Becky. But you guys, okay, so you guys have to, 1, check out her Instagram, and 2, tell her I said hi, and 3, wait till she gets my little care package because I am really excited for her to open it up. I don't know if she said she was going to do like an unboxing on Instagram, but I think she's like hopefully she'll post like a cute photo because she takes the cutest photos, and her style is just amazing. So she's gonna style it up. Whatever I send her is gonna be a surprise. I'm not going to like ruin it by telling you guys anything about what I'm sending. So I'm really excited. And yeah, so that is today's just quick little bonus video, I guess is what you would call this. But thank you guys again so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys enjoy these types of like little pop-up videos, and I will do more under 5 minutes. So I love you guys so much. Don't forget to check out today's thrifting video. It went up at 7 a.m. and the vlog goes up at 2. I love you guys so much. See you later. Bye. Greetings and salutations, YouTube. It's Adrian here.